Hey guys, new day, new video, and in this video I will give you a full studio tour of the studio of Stefan and mine. Our studios are in a building in a small industrial area near the center of Eindhoven, and we have quite a lot of space. We have two studios over here, full production, music production studios with lots of cool gear, so let's go. So as I told you in the introduction, we are in a small industrial area. I can show you the surroundings. It's not that important or that interesting. And this is the way to the entrance to our garage. Literally a garage. We don't use it, except my car is in it right now. Quite a lot of space. This door goes to our main, I call it our main central warehouse. Do-it-yourself and repair table. We have quite a lot of old synthesizers and they need repair, so we can do this here. These are quite interesting. These are the main power supplies for the mixer in Studio 2, the Stefan Studio. I will show you that later. Again, not that interesting because, yeah, well, it's mainly storage. I come to the hallway, and this hallway leads to our kitchen, small kitchen. Oh yeah, we're from Eindhoven, as you can see. Kitchen with the very important coffee machine. Another espresso machine. This leads to my studio. That's the door over here, and this is our garden. This door will lead to my studio, so let's go. So this is my main mixer. It's the Soundcraft 6000 and it used to belong to master mixer Ben Liebrand. It fully functions, so it starts up and every channel works. It's an old mixer. It needs some maintenance. That costs time and money, and the last time is not in my hand, so I'm planning to do. Let's find some time. Maybe we can vlog about it. For monitoring I use PSI and Evertone. Then we have drum machines. Famous TR-99. I bought this really cheap in the 90s when they were affordable. A TR-8 and his brother TR-8. MC500. I use this to MIDI clock everything from the Atari to the rest of my synthesizers. Don't use it anymore. TB3, great synth from IK Multimedia, the one synth. We also have his drum brother, and we will do a review about it later. I use this to sequence my modular system. Modular system is a little bit of pain. I don't know what to do with it. I mean, I own a lot of synthesizers, so what's the use of building a synthesizer within a modular system? Yeah, I'm planning to rebuild it, sell some modules and go for percussion with it. This is the Jupiter 80 from Roland, a small running gag, or small or big running gag between me and Stefan. He owns a Jupiter 8, so he thinks this thing is crap. I think it's a good synthesizer for its sounds. It's not analog or so, but it's useful synthesizer. But it's a running gag between us for a long time. Machine, and one of my favorites this time. This is the Peak from Novation. I built some sounds for the Peak, which will reveal or released later this year. One of the first Arturia synthesizers, great sounding synths. These are some collectibles from holidays and so on. Ultra Nova, great synthesizer. I don't use it that lot anymore. I mainly bought it because for a MIDI keyboard it's great to use. So and you have a synthesizer within. So also Nova. Alpha Uno 2. This is my first synthesizer I got from my parents. So this is a synthesizer where it all started with. And if we go down, well, most of them don't need introduction. D50, second synthesizer I bought new. Doesn't run right now because of a fuse problem. And oh, and a JD 800. The small sound you hear was from my latest Pride and Joy, the new Moog 1 synthesizer. And above it's the Arturia Matrix Brute. This is the Motor NF1. It's not mine. We got it for a review. This is my effect rack with some Behringer, Mindprint, Lexicon, Art, Compressor, Studio Vocalist EX. My synthesizer rack with a Supernova 2, 2 U110s from Roland, a D10 R8M, some modules from EMU, and my MIDI conversion. The other rack, which contains my computer, old audio interface from Steinberg, and this is cool. This is a Verzi organ, and I got this from a music store for free. I only fired it up. I never heard it, so maybe we can do a blog about this. This is an old CD writer from Tascam. That recording also from Tascam. To the other side, there's his brother. Okay, some samplers. The Akai S6000. Below, it's my really first sampler, the S220 from Roland. Very expensive at the time. S760, SP700. I also do some DJing, as you can see, with SL, and I use Tractor as DJ. So, that concludes the studio tour part 1. We will do the studio tour of Stefan's studio in another video. I hope you like it, so if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time.